Hi guys, quick mess, let's try it again. Welcome to the video. It's always good to see you guys. It's always good to be with you guys. So short story, last night was not last night, actually yesterday was my birthday. So like I'm so happy. By the time you see this video, it will be already too late. But yeah, last night was my birthday, man. The 19th of December. Shout out. If you actually having the same birth date as mine, then we should do something. Without wasting your time, uh today I have a guest. Yeah, I have a guest and we are going to do some maths. So he called me last night and he was like, yo bro, I know that you have a YouTube channel now, and I want to come over to the show. And I was like, what the oh, come there. And I was like, what the hell, dude? Is this podcast and chill or something? What do you mean I should have you over? Right? And he was like, no man, I just want to come over and we're gonna do some maths. So yeah, let me not waste your time. I'm gonna shut up now, and he's gonna take over. I think I've said a lot already. So yeah, let's give him a chance. Right. So you take over, dude.
So hi guys, yeah, today I will be your tutor, ne? Your say will be listening to me teaching you how to do this thing. So we have a scenario here saying in a convergent series, the sum to infinity is 18. S to infinity is equals to 18, and the sum of the first four terms is 130 all over 9. So it's S of 4 is equals to 130 is to 9. So the question says, calculate the value of the constant ratio. We have the formula to infinity and the formula of the sum. So the formula of sum to infinity is S to infinity is equals to A all over 1 minus R. So the sum of the numbers will be Sn. So because we are looking for the sum, it's not the term number, it's Sn is equals to A times R minus R to the power n minus 1 all over R minus 1. So we have to put the information given to the formulas. So in sum to infinity, we only have the sum, which is 18. So we will say 18 because we are given sum to infinity to be equals to 18. Ne? So the value of A we don't know. So it's equals to A all over 1 minus the value of R we also don't know. So it will be like this. So we then say S to 4 is equals to the value of A. We don't know the value of A, but we can actually get the value of A. So we will be saying A all over R, we don't know, N is 4 minus 1 all over R minus 1. So we then say this is equation 1, like we are doing simultaneous equations. So we then say this is equation 2. Then we have to find a way of making one equation to be simpler so that we can simplify. So here we were supposed to write 130 all over 9 instead of S4 because we already said it's sum of 4 here. We are going to use this equation to form equation 3. So we will simply cross multiply this. 18 all over 1 is equals to A all over 1 minus R. So we cross multiply, it's going to be A is equals to 18 times 1 minus R. Some of you guys can say this will be affected. This will affect the inside bracket. So if you can affect this, we will have something that will complicate us and end up saying that maths is difficult, while maths is just challenging your mind to think deep. This is our equation 3. So our a will be equals to 18 times 1 minus r. So we go to the other to equation 3. Say substitute equation 3 into equation 2. So we know that it's 130 all over 9 is equals to a, it's 18 times 1 minus r, open bracket, r to the power 4 minus 1 all over, everything all over r minus 1. So we have to make some one of the brackets be the same as this one, so we can cancel. So we will say that it's 130 all over 9 will be equals to 18. Then we take a common factor here. We'll say negative 18 instead. So we take negative outside the bracket. So if negative is taken, r will be positive and 1 will be negative, because negative times negative will be giving you positive. So it's negative 1. So negative times positive will give you negative. So it's r. So then it's r to the 4 minus 1. It's r minus 1. So we will simply arrange this to look nice. So it's 130 all over 9 equals to negative 18. Negative 18. We take the positive to the front. It's minus 1. So it's r to the power 4 minus all over r to minus 1. So this and this, it's similar now. So we will cancel this to this. 9 is equals to negative 18 r to the 4 minus 1. We will then have to divide by negative 18 and negative 18 this side. What you do on the right, you also do it on the left. So this will cancel. So we have to punch all of this to a calculator, and we will find something like negative 65 all over 81. So it's equals to r to the power 4 minus 1. So if we have something like this, we will then have to transpose negative 1 to the other side, and then we will have negative 65 all over 81 plus 1 is equals to r to the power 4. Our answer will be 16 all over 81 is equals to r to the power 4. Because what we are actually looking for, we are looking for the base, the value of the base. Therefore, we will introduce my quadroot. It will be 16 all over 81 to the quadroot is equals to, outside the yellow, it's r to the 4 quad root. So this will be equals to r, because this thing will cancel this one. So the root cancelled. We will only left with r. Then this side we will be left with 2:3. Therefore our constant ratio will be equals to, so you can also say in a decimal form, but it's not necessary. It's right in the fraction form. It's 0 is 2667. It's better make it to at least 3 decimal places. So our solution is this one.
All right, guys, thank you for watching. I'm gonna see you next time. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and if you like this video, you click that like button and you also tell me what you want to see next, right? This was quite an interesting question, and actually I did not expect it to go like this, and I think it was amazing. So do not forget to like and subscribe. I'm gonna see you next time. Good night.